Ian Kaplan here, program designer at Apex Sports and Fitness. Today we're talking about energy systems. It's really important to get to know energy systems because in order to get the most out of your training, you need to know when you're training which energy system, and so you know you're training them at the right time. We have three main energy systems. Our CP system, or creatine phosphate system, is our weight training system. It produces the most fuel the fastest. So back squatting would be an example of using the CP system. We have the lactate system, which is our sugar burning system. It extends a little further out into time, into harder sustained efforts like a 1-minute bike sprint or a 3-minute row for some people. And then we have the aerobic system, which is our sustainable oxygen utilizing system. So a 5K run would be a good example of an aerobic effort. Some common mistakes in energy system training have to do with the fact that the aerobic system contains the other systems in this diagram, meaning that oxygen supports these two and allows these two systems to recover. So what a lot of people fail to do, especially in a group class environment with an hour class and like 10 to 12 minute workouts, is they start to fatigue and create lots of lactate. So they're actually using this system over this system, and they never fully develop this system to support stress on the other two. The other thing a lot of people do is they only train the aerobic system. They only do cardio because they want to lose weight. And without ever doing strength training, they are blunted in their ability to develop this system, and they've lost potential for balanced fitness. What would we have people do to best train all of their energy systems is to start with lots of sustainable work to learn how to use oxygen over and over and over again and do great strength training principles. And to be honest, most people can spend their whole life, if they're just looking for health and longevity, doing weight training and easy aerobic work. Over time, we can work towards the middle if people want to participate in high intensity sport because they need to know how to deal with this without creating a ton of nervous system fatigue, because this stuff is very stressful on the system. Here at Apex, we guide people through that process and their development over time to maximize the amount of work they can put into each of these categories and really express their full potential.